Hello students, as you know, I am your geography teacher. Today we are going to start our first chapter, Human Geography, Nature and its Scope. First of all, we are going to describe about the geography. Geography is an aerial or spatial science. Geography is the description of Earth's surface. It means geography is the subject in which we are going to describe about the Earth's surface, which include its aerial, physical, human, all things. Okay, geography is made by two words. First is G plus graphy. G matlab earth and graphy means description. Its whole meaning is the description of the earth. Now we are going to start the branches of the geography. Branches, it means which are the part included in the geography. First is physical geography, second is human geography. First, physical geography. In this part, we are going to study about the physical features like mountains, atmosphere, villages and so on. Next given है human geography. In this part, we are going to study about the mankind. It means which things are related to man's activities like population. We are going to study about the population on the world level as well as on the country level. Where the human beings live, where he works, all these things. Now, in this chapter, we are going to start human geography. It is an important branch of geography which study about mankind of different races and areas. Human geography. According to the name, we are going to study about the humans and their activities in different parts of the world and the country. First, systematic geography. Second one is regional geography. Systematic geography. It means step by step. It is the detailed study of a single geographical factor of an area. It means we are going to study about a factor detailed. It means whole things are included about the same factor. Like world climate, we are going to describe about the different parts of the world, like different countries, in which countries which type of climate is found and which factors are affected the climate, like this. Second one is regional geography. Regional, according to the word, we discuss regional. It means according a region. We are selecting an area and going to study about the area. Like we choose any area and we study about the different factors of the area. Like it is an integrated study of geographical features of an area like climate of Delhi. It means first of all we are going to select the area like Delhi and then we are going to study about the climate of Delhi, which factors affect the climate of Delhi, like this. Next, theme of human geography. The relationship between man and his natural environment. Theme. It means here we are going to study about the relationship of man and natural environment. Here, man is an active agent member in nature. Active agent. Why man is an active member? Because man is always busy in different kinds of activities. That's why he is called active agent or member in the nature. Next, environment. Surroundings of man in which man lives or work. It means that area where human beings live and works their activities is known as our environment. Here the types of environment. First is given physical environment, second one is Cultural environment. Physical environment. It means all things which are given by the nature are included in the physical environment. Like landforms. Landforms include mountains, plains, coastal areas, different parts. Soil, different types of soil, climate, flora and fauna, and water, etc. Cultural environment. Cultural environment includes houses, villages, cities, industries, ports, fields, etc. It means the relationship of human and their activities and which factor going to affect the human activities are included in the cultural environment. Our next point is definitions of human geography. Okay, different scholars give different views, their different opinion about the human geography. So now we are going to discuss about the human geography according to the Friedrich Ratzel. It means human geography is the study of relationship between human societies and earth surface. Ratzel says that human geography is the study of relationship. Whose relationship? Human societies and the earth surface. According to Friedrich Ratzel, now we are going to discuss about this scholar. He is well known all over the world. It means he is the famous scholar for his work. He write a book, Anthropo. He write a book, Anthropogeiography, which is completed during 1872 to 1899. He says human-centric oriented to geography. It means he says that all human is the center of geography. According to it, man is active member. It means he is always busy in different kinds of activities. Man uses soil resources to produce food. He develops water power from waterfalls and dams. Overall, all these are the achievements of the man. Friedrich Ratzel, known as the father of modern human geography. Now, who is the father of modern human geography? Than Ratzel. Now, second scholar is Miss Alan Semple. She belongs to America and she is the student of Ratzel and she is spotter of determinism. Now, we are going to discuss about the concept determinism. In this factor, man is a slave of nature. It means man is not a free member of environment. It means that environment determines human activities. It means nature is more powerful than man. It means man doing activities under the pressure of environment, under the circumstances of environment. Man is active member from beginning. Man's activities have changed the physical environment to a great extent. Okay. Now, man's activities have changed the physical environment. How we can say that? We can say that man changed our environment according to their requirements, according to their need. Human geography is a study of changing relationship, unresting man and unstable earth. Next scholar is Vidal de la Blache, who belongs to France. His book is Principes de Géographie Humaine. He says that human geography provides a new understanding of interrelationship between man and earth. According to the Blache, new understanding of which factors? between man and earth. Man can modify environment to his needs. Man can change the environment, man can change the physical environment according to their requirement, according to their needs. Vidal de la Blache spot possibilism. Now, Blache is a spotter of possibilism. Human geography is the study of interrelationship between earth and man.